Today I'm showing you 7 plants that don't just survive in water, they actually thrive in it. If you love plants but want something super easy and low maintenance, these water growing plants are perfect. And stay till the end, because some of these plants can give you multiple new plants from just one cutting. So let's get started. Number 1. Pothos. First is pothos, the ultimate beginner plant. It's one of those plants that is almost impossible to kill, and it grows beautifully in water. Here's how to grow it. Take a healthy cutting with at least one node, that's the little bump on the stem where the roots and new leaves can develop. Remove the leaves from the lower part of the stem and place the node under clean water. Keep the leaves above the water. Place the cutting in a glass jar filled with clean water, making sure the node is under water but the leaves stay above the water. After a few weeks, you'll start seeing small roots developing from the node. Place the container in bright, indirect light and change the water regularly. Pothos can continue growing in water for a long time, although plants grown permanently in water may eventually benefit from nutrients. Keep it in bright, indirect light, and you'll soon start seeing roots. Change the water regularly to keep it fresh. Herb bonus tip. One long pothos vine can give you many new plants. Simply cut the vine into sections, making sure every section has a node, and place them in water. Before you know it, you can have new pothos plants all around your home. Pet safety warning: pothos is toxic if chewed by cats or dogs, so keep it somewhere pets can't reach. Number 2 is lucky bamboo. And here's a fun fact, it's not actually bamboo. It's a type of Dracena, but it has been grown in water for centuries and is especially popular in Asian homes, restaurants and offices. How to grow lucky bamboo? The care is super simple. Keep the water level just high enough to cover the roots and change the water every 2 to 3 weeks or sooner if it becomes cloudy. And here's the best part. Lucky bamboo loves low to moderate indirect light, so it's perfect for offices, bedrooms or rooms that don't get much direct sunlight. The water should cover the roots but shouldn't unnecessarily submerge the entire stem. Lucky bamboo prefers bright, indirect light. Avoid strong direct sunlight because it can scorch the leaves. One important note: lucky bamboo is toxic to cats and dogs if chewed, so keep it away from pets. It looks beautiful in glass containers and is perfect for minimalist home decor. Our third plant is the spider plant. Spider plants are especially easy to propagate in water because they produce little baby plants, often called spidrets. How to grow spider plant in water? Cut a healthy baby plant from the mother plant. Place the base of the baby plant in water. Make sure the leaves stay above the water. Keep it in bright, indirect light. Within a few weeks, you should see roots developing. Tip: don't let the entire crown of the baby plant stay submerged, because excessive moisture around the crown can cause rot. I call this one the plant that makes babies because it literally grows little baby plants on long stems, all by itself. To grow in water, it's just snip one of those babies off, pop it in a glass of water. Within a week, you'll see roots. Within a month, you'll have a full plant. One spider plant can give you well over a dozen spider plants. Pet safety. Spider plants are safe for pets. In fact, cats seem to love playing with those dangling babies. 4. Snake plant. Yes, even snake plant can be propagated in water. Snake plants are usually grown in soil, but leaf cuttings can be rooted in water. How to propagate? Take a healthy snake plant leaf and cut it into sections. Remember which end is the bottom. Place the bottom end of the cutting in water. Keep the container in bright, indirect light. With patience, roots can develop. Snake plants are slow growers, so don't worry if you don't see results immediately. Important: snake plant cuttings can be prone to rot if kept constantly wet or if the water isn't clean. So change the water regularly and keep an eye on the cutting. Once the roots are well developed, you can transfer the cutting to soil. Number 5. Coleus. Coleus comes in stunning colors: purple, red, pink, even near black, and it roots in water faster than almost any other plants. Bonus tip: Coleus needs bright light to keep its colors. Coleus can make a beautiful statement plant when grown in a large glass container or water garden. Number 6. The Wandering Jew, also called Tridescantia orange plant. This is the fastest growing in water plant I've ever seen. It will grow every single day from one cutting in water for almost nothing. Bonus tip: this plant grows so fast you'll need to trim regularly. Every cutting you trim goes right back in water to start a new plant. One plant truly becomes a whole collection. The colorful foliage and trailing stems look especially beautiful in glass bottles. Wandering Jew is safe for pets. 7. Aglaonema. And finally, we have Aglaonema, also known as Chinese evergreen. Aglaonema is a beautiful foliage plant available in many shades of green, silver, pink and red. It can be propagated in water, and suitable plants can also be maintained in water-based growing systems when they receive the nutrients they need. How to grow Aglaonema in water? Take a healthy stem cutting with at least one node. Remove the lower leaves. Place the node in clean water. Keep the leaves above the water. Give the cutting bright, indirect light. After some time, roots will begin to appear. Once the root system becomes strong, you can transfer the plant to soil or continue with a properly fertilized water-growing setup. Tip: avoid placing Aglaonema in harsh direct sunlight. Growing plants in water is not only easy and fascinating, but it can also create a beautiful natural display for your home. And the best part, you can actually watch the roots grow. Seedling droplet. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And tell me in the comments, which plant would you like to grow in water first? See you in the next video.